What is up, you guys? Savage Nick here, and it's been about an hour since I did my last video, which is on Subway Surfers, which is opening, mystery boxes, and I'm doing another video, and we're gonna try to get that jackpot, so let's head in. So, got my brother here with me. Alright, the first one, we're going to start off with the 1,500. Not bad. We'll double that up. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, what is up, you guys? I'm back. And, yeah, we just got 3,000 freaking gold. So, not bad. Alright. It's going to be more of like, I don't talk too much in this unless it's like something super hype. Because it's like 11 right now. And I have stuff to do tomorrow. 1,000. I'll just leave it like that. It's fine. Another money bag. What is this one? 293. Not bad. Another money bag. Nice. This one is 500. Nice. I have more money than what I started off with. Another money bag. 1,000.
So you can go higher more.
Oh. It gave me no bag. One score booster. Nice. A key. That's actually under the rare section. This is another stereo for fresh. Come on. Ooh, Mystery Maestro.
I think I'm already in silver.
Bro, I got Mystery Maestro, which gives me keys. And it gives me like 5.
God, I'm already in silver.
Oh my god, it's like non-stop giving me freshest thing. And, okay, hoverboards. Oh yeah, so guys, last video you saw that I was getting hoverboards. I started off with 0 hoverboards. By the end of the video, I played around and I saw my hoverboards. I had 76. I earned 76 hoverboards in that recording. Like, what? Okay, we're definitely, like, not getting any money now. It's just freaking freshest stereos. Another freshest stereos. What the freak? A Spike's guitar. You have got to be kidding me. A money bag. Only 220. You gotta be kidding me.
You're just sitting there waiting for that jackpot.
Okay, this is the lowest we've ever been with my money, and that's 18,000. What is this right here? A 1,000. No, this is like the lowest amount of money I've got doing this video. If you guys don't hear someone talking and I like say something, so it's like I'm talking to you guys, I'll probably be talking to my brother over here, but
Subscribe, please.
Alright, so what's this one?
We need to get verified on YouTube, guys.
500.
Because hit like 1,000 subscribers.
Oh my god, by the end of this freaking video, I will have fresh. Come on, give me money. Give me the jackpot. Okay, that's 500. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I really hope so. Ooh, head start.
God, I don't care about a stupid guitar.
Money back, come on, big money, big money, big money. Only 500.
Dude, we should start a video.
Like, freshest stereo, are you kidding me?
Dude, I'm getting
Oh, money back, 5. You gotta be kidding me.
Money back, how much?
Oh, I got a trophy.
2,500.
Bro, I got a new trophy. The platinum trophy.
The platinum record trophy.
Bro, that's sick. Okay, money bag. Is it a bunch? It's another 500. Come on, where is this jackpot at? Killing, so the jackpot is 5 bags, right?
Yeah, 5 little bags.
I got another money bag. Are you freaking kidding me? Where is this jackpot at, though?
No, but it's so cool when the jackpot comes out, because you can just see the money go up and up and up and up and up. It's just cool.
Where is this jackpot? Okay, I am not. Okay, freaking. UFO, get the freak out of here.
Dude, those aren't even really worth anything.
I know. UFOs are pretty stupid. Like, unless you play 24/7, it will be forever till you get Utami.
Dude, I got Mystery Maestro. The second one.
Oh yeah, I got that one.
7 rewards. I'm gonna be in the 80s of rewards now. Well, I was at 101, but
Oh my god, guys. I might just go through all my gold this video. And I'll have to farm up again. Guys, you know how much I really don't want to farm up. 269?
in this game, farming up is the devil.
Yeah, getting gold in this game is literally like...
Literally, you have to
Guys, I'm at literally 10,000. I went through 13,000 gold. Most likely even more because of the money I've earned. Okay, it looks like there will be no jackpots. But next video, trust me, we will probably go through... Wait, how much time do... Oh, I have so much time left. Okay, 2 more till I freaking unlock fresh. Are you kidding me? Like, just stop, bro. Alright, I'm gonna double this up, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. Time. I had to double it up so I could keep my money going and not... Alright, 1 more, and I get freaking fresh, which is... Okay, so we got fresh.
You might have him too, so that's good.
There we go. There is fresh for you all.
He'll probably play as him.
Hey, Tommy's UFO. A money bag. Please be big money. Double it up.
How much was it? 1.
Okay.
Get them from ones. Like, dude, that's what I got mine from.
Alright, so I'm running low on the money, but you know, it's all good.
You know, so getting them from ones increases your chance.
Come on, stop giving me the freaking guitar and the UFO.
It's not like we're ever gonna unlock them.
Okay, guys, so I literally is like, okay, so it looks like we're gonna go through all my gold in this video, which I mean, I will farm up some more gold. If you guys want to see it though, if you guys want to see another video, please drop a freaking like. This was so hard, dude. Okay, we're gonna keep this video going because we're doubling that up. Okay, so 3,000. Okay, oh, stop giving me freaking Utami's UFO. Oh my god, I'm like desperately waiting. Okay, guys, I'm like praying to the gods. Within these 6,000 coins we have left, we can get a freaking jackpot. Because I spent so much time getting as much gold as I started the first part off with. Okay, let's hop back into this 2,000. We're back up there, boys. How much is this? Another 1,000. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. 2,000 gold. We're back up.
I got 8,000 gold from Super Mystery Box, but from a normal one, I got a jackpot.
Bro, I know my brother. My brother here, he got a jackpot from a normal one that he got from a freaking run, and then he doubled it, so he got 200,000. Oh my god, guys, why do they keep giving me Spike's guitar? Like, literally.
They want you to have Spike.
Yeah.
It's just so unfair. You get out of something.
Guys, we're down to 4,000 gold. Nope, we're going back up. Okay, guys, so sorry for all those cuts, but you know what? I'm gonna end the video on this banger right here, 5,000, which puts me back up to almost 10,000 coins, so I can do another video for you guys, because I want to get this so badly, this jackpot. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, just stay awesome like you guys already are. I will see you in the next video. Peace.